Excuse me, is this seat available? Excuse me, is this seat available?
Yes, it is. Please sit down. Yes, it is. Please sit down.
Thank you. This place is busy today. Thank you. This place is busy today.
Yes, it is. Many people love this cafe. Yes, it is. Many people love this cafe.
I'm Daniel, by the way. I'm Daniel, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Daniel. I'm Emma. Nice to meet you, Daniel. I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you too, Em. Nice to meet you too, Em.
Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too.
Are you waiting for someone? Are you waiting for someone?
No, I'm here alone. No, I'm here alone.
Great. I don't want to bother you. Great. I don't want to bother you.
It's okay. I like company. It's okay. I like company.
What are you drinking? What are you drinking?
An iced coffee. It's good. An iced coffee. It's good.
That sounds nice. I have a hot coffee. That sounds nice. I have a hot coffee.
Perfect for a cool day. Perfect for a cool day.
Do you come here often? Do you come here often?
Sometimes. Maybe once a week. Sometimes. Maybe once a week.
It's my first time here. It's my first time here.
Welcome. The coffee is great. Welcome. The coffee is great.
Do you live nearby? Do you live nearby?
Yes, I live a few blocks away. Yes, I live a few blocks away.
I'm new in this area. I'm new in this area.
Oh, really? How do you like it? Oh, really? How do you like it?
I like it so far. People seem friendly. I like it so far. People seem friendly.
Yes, it's a friendly neighborhood. Yes, it's a friendly neighborhood.
Is it okay if I sit here and read? Is it okay if I sit here and read?
Sure, you can read here. Sure, you can read here.
Thanks. I may ask you some questions too. Thanks. I may ask you some questions too.
Of course. Ask any time. Of course. Ask any time.
What do you like about this cafe? What do you like about this cafe?
It's quiet. And the music is soft. It's quiet. And the music is soft.
I like the smell of coffee here. I like the smell of coffee here.
Me too. It feels relaxing. Me too. It feels relaxing.
Are you working or studying today? Are you working or studying today?
I'm taking a short break from work. I'm taking a short break from work.
What do you do? What do you do?
I work in an office nearby. I work in an office nearby.
I see. I work from home most days. I see. I work from home most days.
That sounds convenient. That sounds convenient.
Do you want to try a pastry? They look good. Do you want to try a pastry? They look good.
Yes, they do. I like the muffins here. Yes, they do. I like the muffins here.
I might get one later. I might get one later.
You should. The blueberry one is sweet. You should. The blueberry one is sweet.
Do you mind if I ask your favorite drink here? Do you mind if I ask your favorite drink here?
Not at all. I like the vanilla latte. Not at all. I like the vanilla latte.
Vanilla latte sounds great. Vanilla latte sounds great.
Yes, it's smooth and not too sweet. Yes, it's smooth and not too sweet.
Should we order a second drink? Should we order a second drink?
Maybe. I'm still deciding. Maybe. I'm still deciding.
I can go to the counter now. I can go to the counter now.
Okay, I'll come with you. Okay, I'll come with you.
Let's check the menu together. Let's check the menu together.
Sure, let's go. Sure, let's go.
I'm not sure what to choose. I'm not sure what to choose.
I can help you choose. I can help you choose.
Do you like sweet drinks? Do you like sweet drinks?
A little, but not too sweet. A little, but not too sweet.
Then try a vanilla latte, like mine. Then try a vanilla latte, like mine.
Good idea. I will try it. Good idea. I will try it.
What will you get? What will you get?
I'll get another iced coffee. I'll get another iced coffee.
Do you want it small or large? Do you want it small or large?
Small is fine for me. Small is fine for me.
I will pay for mine now. I will pay for mine now.
Okay. I will pay for mine too. Okay. I will pay for mine too.
Do you use cash or card? Do you use cash or card?
I use a card. I use a card.
Me too. It's easy. Me too. It's easy.
Yes, very easy. Yes, very easy.
Here is my card. Here is my card.
Here is mine. Here is mine.
They are making our drinks now. They are making our drinks now.
Great. It smells so good. Great. It smells so good.
While we wait, where are you from? While we wait, where are you from?
I'm from California. I'm from California.
Nice. I'm from Texas. Nice. I'm from Texas.
Oh, Texas. That's cool. Oh, Texas. That's cool.
Do you miss Texas? Do you miss Texas?
Sometimes yes. Sometimes yes.
What do you miss most? What do you miss most?
My family and the big skies. My family and the big skies.
That sounds lovely. That sounds lovely.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Do you have family here? Do you have family here?
No, not here. No, not here.
So you are also a bit new here. So you are also a bit new here.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Maybe we can explore the area together. Maybe we can explore the area together.
I'd like that. I'd like that.
Our drinks are ready. Our drinks are ready.
Great. Let's take them back. Great. Let's take them back.
Careful, it's hot. Careful, it's hot.
Thanks. I'll be careful. Thanks. I'll be careful.
Here, I'll carry the napkins. Here, I'll carry the napkins.
Thank you. That helps. Thank you. That helps.
Let's sit at the same table again. Let's sit at the same table again.
Yes, let's go back. Yes, let's go back.
This latte looks amazing. This latte looks amazing.
Yes, it has nice foam. Yes, it has nice foam.
Do you like latte art? Do you like latte art?
Yes, it's cute. Yes, it's cute.
What do you like to do on weekends? What do you like to do on weekends?
I like to walk and read. I like to walk and read.
I like to walk too. I like to walk too.
Nice. Where do you like to walk? Nice. Where do you like to walk?
I like the park near the river. I like the park near the river.
Oh, I know that park. It's pretty. Oh, I know that park. It's pretty.
We could walk there sometime. We could walk there sometime.
Yes, that sounds fun. Yes, that sounds fun.
Do you like books? Do you like books?
Yes, I love books. Yes, I love books.
What kind of books do you like? What kind of books do you like?
I like simple mystery stories. I like simple mystery stories.
I like mysteries too. I like mysteries too.
Great. Do you have a favorite author? Great. Do you have a favorite author?
I like Agatha Christie. I like Agatha Christie.
Nice choice. Her stories are easy to enjoy. Nice choice. Her stories are easy to enjoy.
Do you read every day? Do you read every day?
Almost every day. Almost every day.
I'm trying to read more. I'm trying to read more.
That's a good habit. That's a good habit.
What about music? Do you like music? What about music? Do you like music?
Yes, I listen to music every day. Yes, I listen to music every day.
What kind of music do you like? What kind of music do you like?
I like pop and soft jazz. I like pop and soft jazz.
Soft jazz fits this cafe. Soft jazz fits this cafe.
Yes, it matches the mood. Yes, it matches the mood.
Do you play any instruments? Do you play any instruments?
No, I don't. Do you? No, I don't. Do you?
Do you like to learn new things? Do you like to learn new things?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
What are you learning now? What are you learning now?
I'm learning basic Japanese. I'm learning basic Japanese.
Wow, that's interesting. Wow, that's interesting.
It's fun, but hard. It's fun, but hard.
I'm learning English. I'm learning English.
You are doing great. You are doing great.
Thank you. I practice every day. Thank you. I practice every day.
That's the best way. That's the best way.
Do you take classes? Do you take classes?
Yes, once a week. Yes, once a week.
Do you practice speaking? Do you practice speaking?
Not enough. I need more practice. Not enough. I need more practice.
We can practice together sometimes. We can practice together sometimes.
Really? That would help a lot. Really? That would help a lot.
Sure. We can meet at this cafe. Sure. We can meet at this cafe.
I'd love that. I'd love that.
What time is good for you? What time is good for you?
Maybe Saturday morning. Maybe Saturday morning.
Saturday morning works for me. Saturday morning works for me.
Great. Great.
How about 10 a.m.? How about 10 a.m.?
10 a.m. is perfect. 10 a.m. is perfect.
Do you want to exchange phone numbers? Do you want to exchange phone numbers?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
I'll open my phone. I'll open my phone.
Me too. Me too.
What's your number? What's your number?
It's 415-555-0186. It's 415-555-0186.
Okay, I'll type it in. Okay, I'll type it in.
Great. Great.
Here is my number. Here is my number.
Thanks. I'll save it. Thanks. I'll save it.
Can I text you now? Can I text you now?
Yes, go ahead. Yes, go ahead.
I just sent a message. I just sent a message.
I got it. I got it.
Perfect. Now we can keep in touch. Perfect. Now we can keep in touch.
Yes, that's nice. Yes, that's nice.
Do you use any social apps? Do you use any social apps?
Yes, but texting is fine. Yes, but texting is fine.
Texting is easy for me too. Texting is easy for me too.
Same here. Same here.
I'm glad we met today. I'm glad we met today.
Me too. It was a nice talk. Me too. It was a nice talk.
This cafe feels even nicer now. This cafe feels even nicer now.
Yes, new friends make it better. Yes, new friends make it better.
I should go back to work soon. I should go back to work soon.
Okay, I don't want to keep you. Okay, I don't want to keep you.
Thank you for your time, Emma. Thank you for your time, Emma.
You're welcome, Daniel. You're welcome, Daniel.
See you on Saturday at 10 a.m.? See you on Saturday at 10 a.m.?
Yes, see you then. Yes, see you then.
I'll sit by the window. I'll sit by the window.
Great, I'll look for you. Great, I'll look for you.
Have a good afternoon. Have a good afternoon.
You too. You too.
Take care. Take care.
You too. Bye. You too. Bye.
Bye, Emma. Bye, Emma.
Bye, Daniel. Bye, Daniel.
I'll message you later. I'll message you later.
Okay, I'll reply after work. Okay, I'll reply after work.
Enjoy the rest of your coffee. Enjoy the rest of your coffee.
Thanks. Enjoy yours too. Thanks. Enjoy yours too.
See you soon. See you soon.
See you soon. See you soon.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye.